Hi everybody, thank you and welcome. By the way, everybody, is it real and real Chinese J pendant? And this J pendant is come from China, everybody. And by the way, this is my collection. Everybody, I am collect Chinese J. And I am collect any type of J. And this J is from China. Thank you everyone for support and sharing my video, and I am be back with you soon. Thank you so much. I am really appreciate so much for you guys visiting my channel. Cha, យើងខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណជាច្រើនដែលបានបងប្អូនជួយត្រឹមត្រូវវីដេអូហើយនឹង channel របស់យើងខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងត្រឡប់ជួបបងប្អូននៅក្នុងពេលឆាប់នេះវិញណាបងប្អូនហើយខ្ញុំនឹងមានវីដេអូផ្សេងទៀតសម្រាប់បងប្អូនទស្សនាណាចាអរគុណបងប្អូនខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថានឹងជួបបងប្អូនតាមរយៈវីដេអូផ្សេងទៀតជម្រាបលាទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូន